Most people know cranberries are great for bladder health, but there is a secret hidden inside. What if a specific compound in cranberries could actually reverse skin aging at the cellular level? This process works faster than many of the expensive anti-aging creams currently on the market today. A 2024 study from the University of Florida revealed something truly remarkable for skin health. Researchers tracked women over 40 who consumed a concentrated cranberry extract daily. In just 6 weeks, these women saw measurable improvements in skin firmness and wrinkle reduction. This is not merely surface-level hydration that washes away at the end of the day. Instead, your cells are literally rebuilding your skin structure from the inside out. To understand this, we must look at collagen, the protein that gives skin its youthful bounce. However, a silent destroyer called glycation is constantly working against your skin's natural vitality. Every time you eat, sugar bonds with collagen proteins to create harmful advanced glycation end products. These are known as AGEs, and they act like a form of internal caramelization. Your collagen fibers become stiffened, damaged, and aged from the inside over many years. A single collagen molecule stays in your skin for about 15 years of your life. If you are 50 or 60, you have been accumulating this specific damage for decades. This is precisely why your skin loses its firmness and why wrinkles begin to deepen. Most anti-aging products only try to prevent new damage rather than addressing the existing structure. Cranberries, however, contain a special group of polyphenols known as proanthocyanidins. These are not just simple antioxidants, they act as powerful communicators for your cells. They send signals to your skin cells, instructing them to protect your existing collagen supply. A 2022 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry tested these polyphenols directly. The results were stunning. They did not just prevent future damage from occurring. They actually broke apart existing collagen crosslinks, reversing damage that was already done. But the story of cranberry's power goes even deeper than just protecting collagen. In 2024, researchers discovered that cranberry extracts trigger a process called mitophagy. This means your cells are selectively removing damaged mitochondria to replace them with new ones. It is essentially like your cells are renovating themselves from the inside out. Damaged mitochondria are a primary reason why skin begins to look aged and tired. Healthy mitochondria are the secret behind skin that looks firm, glowing, and resilient. Then there is the issue of inflammation, which often hides beneath the surface. Chronic low-level inflammation accelerates the breakdown of your collagen every single day. Cranberry polyphenols reduce inflammatory molecules like TNF-alpha and IL-6 effectively. They calm down the inflammatory pathways that are actively aging your face. Cranberry also performs a near-magical feat regarding your body's natural enzymes. Your body produces enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases that naturally break down collagen. As you age, these enzymes go into overdrive while your production slows down. It is usually a losing battle, but cranberry polyphenols inhibit these destructive enzymes. Simultaneously, they stimulate your fibroblasts to produce more fresh type 1 collagen. You are effectively hitting the problem from both sides at the exact same time. You are stopping the breakdown while building new collagen structures simultaneously. The 2024 clinical trial involved 22 women over the age of 40. They consumed a polyphenol-rich cranberry extract in a rigorous double-blind study. At the 1-month mark, researchers observed significant reductions in visible wrinkles. The skin appeared firmer, plumper, and the overall texture had clearly improved. These benefits continued to increase steadily through the 6th week of the trial. Elasticity and hydration levels improved most dramatically in women over 50. This is because older skin has more accumulated damage for these compounds to repair. The older you are, the more significant and visible the results tend to be. But the benefits of this fruit do not stop at the surface of your face. Some cranberry polyphenols can even cross the blood-brain barrier to protect your mind. Researchers now group cranberry with blueberries for their incredible neuroprotective properties. Studies show cranberry powder can improve memory and neural function in older adults. Your cardiovascular system also benefits from improved blood vessel function and health. They enhance nitric oxide signaling, which relaxes vessels and improves your circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your skin cells every day. Cranberry also supports metabolic health by improving liver markers and reducing inflammation. Since your liver detoxifies compounds that age you, a healthy liver means younger skin. If you found this scientific deep dive into anti-aging helpful, please share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more health breakthroughs and longevity tips. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on this natural discovery.